Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the action button on your iPhone 17 to a specific custom action. So in order to do this, first thing you're going to do is go into your setting, scroll a little bit further down to action button right here, and you're going to see all of these customizable action available. First one is going to be the silent mode, which is the default one. So if you press and hold, it's going to go silent, and if you do it again, it's going to ring. So that's the first one. Now you can change it to any of these. You can go to change it to any focus mode that you want to choose, like do not disturb, sleep, or any of this. You can also change it to be a camera button instead of using the other camera button on this side. You can also do it flashlight, voice memo, music recognition, translate, magnifying, controls, and then shortcuts, accessibility, and also at the end is no action. So if you don't want to use this action button at all, you can say no action, nothing will happen if you press it. So go ahead and fix or pick your favorite one. I usually leave it as the silent one as is, but you can always change it. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.